Hi PIRCH audience, I'm Chef Maria. The holiday season is officially upon us, and today we're going to be cooking up some delicious comfort food on our Fulgor Milano induction range. This beautiful glossy red color is so festive for the holiday season, and today we're making an easy butternut squash skillet pasta. Some of the ingredients in this dish besides the pasta are butternut squash, chicken sausage, and then we're going to top it with a savory, crispy prosciutto. First thing we're going to do is boil up our pasta. One of the benefits of cooking on an induction range is that it can bring a pot of water to a hard boil in just under a few minutes. Next, we're going to be sauteing our sausage in a cast iron skillet on the cooktop. Listen to that sizzle. Another great thing about induction is it holds a steady temperature for you while you're cooking. Next, we're going to remove the sausage from the skillet. Now that we've removed the sausage, we're going to start sauteing the ingredients for the sauce. We've got some olive oil, butter, then we're going to add in our butternut squash and cook that until it's soft. Then we're going to add our seasonings. Finally, we're adding the good stuff, the cream and the cheese. Once we mix it all together, we're going to add in the pasta, the sausage, top it with some cheese, and the prosciutto, and stick it in the oven. Once it comes out of the oven and it's piping hot, we're all going to get to dig in and enjoy it. Thank you for joining me today for this festive holiday meal. For more information on Fulgor Milano, please visit a PIRCH showroom nearest you or PIRCH.com. Happy holidays, everyone!